Hello, so this is welcome to the part 4 of the project 1, creating a Flask server using Python. And in last time we created folders. The folders where we put the HTML pages and the other files. So the templates is where you put the HTML pages, the physical files, and here we see in here that we rent our server app, and we went to the default address URL, and here we are just looking at our HTML file right here. So this way only works with like, remember how to run your app, your Flask app. This way only works with the newest version of Flask, 1.0, 1.0 and above. Before there were different ways to do it, and still you can do it in a different way. Like, you can run your Flask app from your file, but right here we're just running from our command prompt. In Windows, you use the keyword set. In other operating system, you use the word export. Okay. So we created so Flask can use actually Flask uses Jinja templates that allows you to escape all characters and allows you to create files, text files with nice formats, and you can write HTML files, HTML files, and XML files, and it will allow you to give markup, and it's like allows you to do a lot of stuff. And templating, that means that you can create layout templates. That means that you can reuse your templates, so you don't have to write the same code in all your page over and over again. No, so you use Jinja templates. So right now I will create 3 templates that I will be using in all my other three files that will be using in all my other pages, so I don't have to actually create all the write all those the same code over and over again for my HTML pages, but I will just import some templates. I will inherit from parent templates. So let's start out by creating a header, a footer, and a layout. So I'll call this file header. Save as. So header, the HTML, save. I'll create another file. Save as is okay. I'll call this one footer, the HTML. And finally, I'll create another file called layout HTML. HTML hypertext markup language. Okay, so if we want to use HTML5, we use doc type. If you don't have to make it capital letters, but if you are going to use a different type of HTML file, which is not HTML, you have to make sure it's uppercase, but you don't have to. Now in here you like to have your title, and your and other things like your link, your CSS files, etc. Then you can have more things in here. Let's start by creating div. So let me put this in here for later, so we can link our CSS style file, which we didn't create yet. Let's just create it. Oh no, let's not. I'll create a CSS files and also the JavaScript files in here. You can link them. But for now, let's leave it like that. Let me create something called page class. Called page. It doesn't matter, this layout is like the skeleton, the pattern template of all the templates that I'm going to use on my server app. So basically everything that is into quotes that has a percentage mark, did you say black? This is Jinja. Black, and then you put any name for the black. I'll call it body, and it only works when you run the server, right? And black. If you want, you can put spaces between it. It's not. Oops. Let me save this for a second. This is whatever is in here is going to be replacing this in the skeleton. This is going to be replacing things. So I will also make one for one block for I will make a block for header, and I will make another block and block, space, and block. I'll call this block footer. I could just copy that. You know what? Come on. Just copy this and change that. Yeah, so everything that has the name footer will replace this position in here. Now I will have this in here called link, correct? And right now I want to make my URL. Oops, I want to replace this URL So I want to create an URL. There is a function in here called URL4. URL_4, and then I put static. That's the folder static, and then the name of the file. File name. I don't have any files right now. So file name. I'll put into here, and the file name will be called style for now. Let me see. I'll call it layout.css. Save. Now let me create one layout CSS. Save as. Sorry if I pressed too hard, shouldn't be. Static CSS. I'll call it CSS layout CSS. Oh, bam. Sorry. This is supposed to be. I saved the wrong file. Nope. This should be saved in here. It's okay. Yes. Let me just call it. 1 second. Open file. Templates and layout HTML. Good. Now this layout CSS. Look, I need to erase all of this, and I will just put something very quick. Body, background color, and I'll put color blue. Blue. Okay, for now. Semicolon, that's it for now. I don't need to have semicolons, but there you go, have semicolon for now. And now make sure I have everything correct. Save. No. Now let me stop this.